Dear learners of Standard 9, welcome you all to my today's online class. Hope you all are keeping well by the blessings of Almighty. Today, our topic is the climate of Bangladesh. We know the influence of climate over human lives is multifarious and important. Climate somewhat gets varied at different times over the year due to monsoon. So let's go to know about the climate. What is climate? Climate came from the ancient Greek word klima, meaning inclination. Is commonly defined as the weather averaged over a long period. A climate implies the daily average state of climate's constituent pervading in a vast region. So we can say commonly climate is the long-term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 25 to 30 years. Now let's know the constituents of the climate or the controlling constituents or factors of climate. For weather and climate, in junior class you have already learned for weather and climate some controlling factors, four major controlling factors: temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind motion. Here I have added one thing, that is the precipitation or rainfall. That is, the temperature is very necessary to control these factors and precipitation also necessary to control these factors. So precipitation is one of the major controlling factors of climate. And some of the meteorological variables that are commonly measured are the climate of a location is also affected by its latitude, longitude, altitude or height, as well as nearby water bodies and their currents. Now we will know the classification of different types of climates. According to Köppen, the Köppen classifications depends on average months values of temperature and precipitation. That means climates can be classified according to the average and the typical ranges of different variables. Most commonly I have told already, that is temperature and precipitations. So what are those 5 types of climates? Tropical climate, dry climate, mild mid latitude climate, cold mid latitudes, and the polar or frigid climates we can say. Now our climate, that means Bangladesh climate, is tropical climate, or we can say it is subtropical climate also. So next slide follow. How is the climate of Bangladesh? That is, the climate of Bangladesh is moderately warm, humid and equable, and the influence of the monsoon is in this region is so high that its climate is known as tropical monsoon climate. So Bangladesh climate is tropical monsoon climate. So what is monsoon? Monsoon is an Arabic word. Mawsum means season, and seasonal prevailing wind which lasts for several months, and regionally we can say it is the rainy season. So regions within North America, some parts of South America, Sub-Sahara, Africa, Australia and Eastern Asia are called the monsoon regions. Now we will know, if we want to know the climatic zone or subclimatic zone and the tropical climates of Bangladesh, you must have to know the climatic zones of the world. There are 4 main climatic zones in the earth: tropical climate, subtropical climate, temperate climate and the polar climatic zone or frigid climatic zone. And follow here, you know, from 0 degree up to North Pole the 90 degree, this is the northern hemisphere, and 0 degree up to the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. So follow tropics. In between the tropics, the regions 0 degree to 23.5 degree in northern and southern hemisphere. Both regions between the tropics, these zones are known as the tropical climatic zone, and subtropical 23.5 degree to 40 degree. Now you have to think about the geographical position of Bangladesh. The last slide we have discussed about the periphery and geographical position of Bangladesh. Temperate climatic zone 40 degree to 60 degree and polar or frigid climatic zones, that is 60 degree to 90 degree. Let's see the world climatic zone. Follow here, it is the equator and this the equator base climates, and between the tropics this is the tropical zone 0 degree to 30 degree. Each and every 30 degree intervals follow 0 to 30 degree north, then 30 degree to 60 degree north, 60 degree to 90 degree up to polar regions. And in the northern hemisphere and also the southern hemisphere 0 degree to 30 degree south, then 30 degree to 60 degree south and up to the 90 degree polar zone. So here we can say equator, on the basis of equator to 30 degree north, and the geographical location of Bangladesh is 20 degree 34 minute north latitude to 26 degree 38 minute north latitude, the Bangladesh location. So here here is the position of your Bangladesh, and 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer passes through Bangladesh, you know. So here what happened, Bangladesh fall in tropical and subtropical zone. So both will be correct. For this reason Bangladesh climate is warm, humid and equable. Now come to your book, that is Seasons of Bangladesh. There are 3 major seasons of Bangladesh, though locally we know there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. It is correct because due to the effect of monsoon we have that means divided our climate in this way. But basically there are 3 diverse seasons in Bangladesh, that is winter, summer and rainy season. And disparity in climate is somehow observed in consideration of season, but no extreme weather is perceived here like that either of a cold country or of that of the tropical country. So we have the summer hot and moist, and winter dry and comfortable winter, and rainy season excessive heat but heavy rainfall, so it is cool, which results in increasing temperature not so high. Now we will know about the globe. Here tropical wet and dry climate all over the globe. Here given the legends, and legend here tropical, dry, moderate, continental, polar. Legend, the color is telling us or showing us that the position of tropical wet climate, that is the olive green color. Follow here the tropical climate. So where is the position of Bangladesh in the world map? In the world map the position of Bangladesh we will see that it is the equator and position is the northern hemisphere. So eastern part of the northern hemisphere follow the eastern part. Which continent? Asia continent. So Asia continent, which part? The southern part of Asia continent. And here your Bangladesh, this is the position of your Bangladesh. Here is the Indian Ocean and it is the channel of Bay of Bengal. So tropical, the legend is showing that this is the olive green. So here the position, this is the olive green color, it is the tropical climate of Bangladesh. Now features of winter season of Bangladesh. Let's see the features. The winter extends in Bangladesh from November to February every year, as the sun stays in the southern hemisphere. According to annual motion, you know, sun stays in the southern hemisphere, its ray fall obliquely towards Bangladesh, and in that time temperature of heat gets reduced in abundance. The highest and lowest temperature during the winter range from 29 degree to 11 degree. January is the coldest month in Bangladesh. This month possesses an average temperature of 17.7 degrees Celsius. During this period, the temperature gradually reduces from the seashore at the south towards north, and equal hot lines become largely erect and stay at the east-west side. Now follow here, I have mentioned it using the red color, equal hot lines. We have to know, the question may arise in your mind, that is what is the hot line. Now come to the point. Follow this map, your book map I have attached over there, the winter season, average season Bangladesh, that is the winter season map. here observe the Bangladesh map, and these lines are known as the ISO line or the hot lines that is written in your book. So we have to know about the ISO line. Here in the month of January, an average temperature remains 20 degrees Celsius in Chittagong. Here the position 20 degrees Celsius in Chittagong, 19.4 degrees Celsius in Noakhali, 19.4 degrees Celsius in Noakhali. Follow here the right portion or right side, the indicated point, and the left side indicated point, that means eastern part and western part. These lines are equally here given some points, and these lines are joints. So here the temperature and the temperature, all these running through the temperature will be same. 18.3 degrees Celsius in Dhaka, here 18.3 degrees Celsius in Dhaka, and 17.7 degrees Celsius in Bogura, and 16.6 degrees Celsius in Dinajpur. So previous slide we have observed that here written during this period the temperature gradually reduces from the seashore at the southern part, it is increased part. It reduces from the seashore at the south towards the north, and equal hot lines become largely erect and stay at the east to west side. Now we will see the ISO line or hot line. What is ISO line in geography? We know about the prefix. So the prefix ISO is a Greek word meaning equal. So an isoline must be a line joining equal points. Isoline are the lines drawn on a map connecting data points of the same value. They are commonly used by the geographers. There are different types of isolines. Major 4 lines: contour line, isobath, isobar, and isotherm. Contour line is joins points of the same height above ground. Isobath joins points of the same depth below water. Isobar joins points of the same atmospheric pressure, and here isotherm joins points of the same temperature. So which will be applicable for the climate? This is isotherm. Somo Ushno Rekha in Bengali. So isotherm joins points of the same temperature. So question may arise, what is isotherm? On the basis of this isotherm, the temperature differs all over the world. Isotherm, the imaginary lines that are drawn on the map over the areas having same temperature at a certain time is called isotherm. Isotherm are used to show the real distribution of temperature of the world. Usually, the isotherms of January and July are used to indicate the difference of temperature in the world map. Let's see the isotherm. Follow here the isotherm. These lines drawn on the map, the imaginary line that is drawn on the map over the areas having same temperature at a certain time is called the isotherm. So northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, this is the midpoint. Here follow, in the northern hemisphere the isotherms are very zigzag, but in the southern hemisphere the isotherms run almost parallel to the latitudes due to affluence of water bodies. Here one thing, that is in the northern hemisphere the presence of hill, mountain, plains and other landmass has influenced the heat preserving power. So the isotherm in northern hemisphere are very zigzag, but in southern hemisphere we know most of the part of water body exist in the southern hemisphere. So the isotherm run almost parallel to the latitudes due to affluence of water bodies, and isotherm are also used to show the real distribution of temperature of the world. Now we will know the features of summer season of Bangladesh. The months from March to May make the summer season in Bangladesh. It is the hottest season of the year, and the maximum temperature in this season remains at 38 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 21 degrees Celsius. and April is the hottest month on an average temperature. The temperature during this season gradually increases from the southern part towards the northern part. Due to what? Due to maritime climate. Now question, what is maritime climate? If we want to know the maritime climate, we must have to know the types of wind all over the world. So let's see, there are various types of winds, that is major 4 types here I have included, that is permanent or planetary wind, that is regular wind, seasonal or periodic wind, local wind or irregular wind that controls the cyclone and anticyclone, and these winds also have their subdivision. Follow types of wind. Here planetary wind, periodic wind, local wind. This planetary wind controls the trade wind and the westerlies. Here another also, some book also written another wind, that is the polar wind. So I will not go for that part. Just here I want to mention that is the periodic wind. This periodic wind or seasonal wind controls the climate of Bangladesh, and these periodic winds also subdivided monsoon wind, land breeze, sea breeze, mountain and valley breeze. So periodic wind, the seasonal wind, and it has the subdivision, that is monsoon wind. Bangladesh, the affluence of monsoon wind is most in Bangladesh. This land breeze and sea breeze also we can observe in the coastal areas. So it is the maritime climate. Let's see the land breeze and sea breeze. Follow here. I have attached one thing here, that is the land breeze and sea breeze. You know the characteristics of the hot air and cold air. So the daytime, what will be the condition of the land mass, and the night time the condition of land mass. Daytime the condition of land mass will be high temperature and air pressure. When the temperature will be high, the air pressure will be low, and night time the low temperature, high pressure. And what will be the condition of the sea? Low temperature and high pressure, and here at night higher temperature, low pressure. Breeze type what will be? That is this will be the sea breeze. Daytime it is the sea breeze, and night time it will be the land breeze. And what will be the breeze direction? It will be the from sea to sea breeze, that means sea to land. Follow here, sea to land, tar mane high pressure zone to low pressure zone, and here at night from land to sea, that means high pressure zone to low pressure zone. Land high pressure zone, here low pressure zone, just vice versa, opposite. Here follow the picture is telling this is the sea breeze and this one is the land breeze. So sea breeze, it is also known as the onshore wind, that is any wind that blows from a large water body towards the land mass. The large water body, the warm air towards the land mass, and it develops due to difference in air pressure created by the differing heat capacities of water and dry land. Here notice one thing, that is land absorbs solar radiation for more quickly than water. A sea breeze is commonly occurrence along coast after the sunrise. On the other hand, the land breeze, it is also known as the offshore breeze, is the reverse effect. Dry land also cools more quickly than water, and after sunset a sea breeze dissipates and the wind instead flows from the land towards the sea. So sea breeze and land breeze are both important factors for coastal regions, and it is known as the maritime climate. Now let's see the feature of rainy season or effect of monsoon wind. The months from June to October cover the rainy season. During this period, the sun emits its rays vertically towards Bangladesh or lengthwise towards Bangladesh, and average temperature during this period remains approximately 27 degrees Celsius, and June and September are the hottest months during the rainy season. 4/5 of the total rainfall takes place during the rainy season in Bangladesh. And most important one feature, that is an average rainfall is minimum 119 centimeter and maximum that is 340 centimeter. Here one thing is mentionable, that is the monsoon causes heavy rainfall in Bangladesh, and during this season rainfall takes place not less than 200 centimeter anywhere in our country. either at the hill tracts or on the coastal belt. So maximum rainfall we are observing here in the coastal belt or hill tracts area. Comparatively, more rainfall happens in the eastern part of the country than in the western part. For example, we can say the amount of rainfall reaches 114 centimeter in Pabna, 120 centimeter Dhaka, 140 centimeter Kumilla, 180 centimeter in Srimangal, 190 in the Rangamati. So hill tracts area or where there is the adequate amount of vegetation, there the amount of rainfall will be more. So today up to this, stay safe at your home. Take care yourself. Thank you all.